This is Joe Blasco, very, very pleased and very proud to invite you to our anniversary edition, our anniversary installment of MUA TV. This is installment number 23, and it is exactly 2 years from the date that we began MUA TV. And I am so pleased to be able to tell you what a tremendous success this endeavor has been. And very much in part because of you. And I want to thank you all for being such a fantastic audience all around the world. Makeup artists, hairstylists, special makeup effects artists, beauty makeup artists, even morticians. Even morticians have been sending us emails telling me how much they've learned about makeup. So we are here for you. Remember, we are here for you. We are a specific channel right here on the internet that is geared to makeup professionals. So we're reaching out to all makeup professionals, not only nationally here in the United States, but internationally, and it has been our great pleasure to do so. I hope that you've been enjoying our programming. And now this edition is going to be very special as well, and it is going to be a compilation of many of what I believe to be our best shows, as well as what you have requested that we replay for you. We've had many cards and letters and emails concerning our 2-year anniversary, and we want to thank you very, very much. My staff thanks you. Doug Schatz, our technical director, all of the makeup artists, and all of the students at the Joe Blasco Makeup Artist Training Centers, both in Hollywood and in Orlando, who have participated in bringing these fine pieces of programming, professional programming to you. I want to thank you all, and I want to thank them all as well for making this so. So now I want you to, as usual, sit back, relax, and enjoy the best of the last 2 years of MUA TV.